a very big congratulations to you for setting up your Google Search Console for your blog. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit your blog sitemap to Google so that your blog content will frequently show up in Google search results when people type in queries that are related to what you have on your blog. What is a sitemap? A sitemap is just like a map of your entire blog in the form of XML or HTML. It helps search engines crawlers to automatically access all the URLs of your blog. The process of submitting your blog sitemap is divided into two. One has to do with the submission of your blog post, while the other one has to do with the submission of your static pages. For example, your about me page, your privacy policy page, and any other page you have on your Google Blogger blog. Now, let me show you how to achieve the two methods one after the other. Yeah, this is the homepage of Google Webmasters, and right now I'm going to click on the sign in button and we're going to go right inside Google Search Console, and then here is the dashboard of Google Search Console. You need to select the particular property you want to work on, and this is the property we are looking for, and we need to go right in order to submit our sitemap. So the first sitemap I want us to submit is the one for our blog post, and to do that you have to go to the menu at the left side of your property. You click on it and go to sitemap, and then on this page you look at the right hand side, you see add or test sitemap. You have to click on it, and then it's going to bring out your blog name and a box for you to put up some content. Then there is this line of code that you have to put right there, and you have to copy it. I'm going to supply this URL to you so that you can use for your own setup. So, and then all you have to do is click on submit, and you need to refresh the page to make sure your submission is completed. Great. As you can see, the sitemap for our posts has been submitted, and we have two pages that have been able to be submitted because we have, I think, one or two posts on the blog right now, and we have like two pages as well. So the code we used earlier for submitting the sitemap, I mean this particular URL, is useful if you have up to 500 posts on your Google Blogger. But once you have more than 500 posts on your Google Blogger blog, you need to make sure you come back to the sitemap and then you make use of this URL. So it's going to get you covered for 500 to 1,000 posts submission on your Google Webmasters sitemap. And then we need to also talk about how to submit our sitemap for our static pages, and we'll make use of this particular URL in that case. So all I have to do is I'll need to go back to the sitemap, and then I will come over to the add sitemap again, and then I have to paste this URL for the submission of the pages into the Google Console sitemap for my blog, and I'm going to click on submit, and then I need to refresh just like we did in the earlier method. Great, and we've been able to submit the pages sitemap, and which is just 2 pages, and all in all we've been able to submit 4 web pages. And then if you look at the bottom right here, you see the indexing is still pending because we just submitted the sitemap. So the Google crawler is going to be notified of new content on our blog, and it's going to come right to the blog and index the content, and then it's going to accept the sitemap. And then over here you're going to see that the indexation is successful. And that is how to submit your post and pages sitemap to Google Search Console. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.